Relasyon. Querida Kabet. Number 2, mistress, relasyon. Huwag mo akong materi-teri! Are you my husband?
Bianca Manalo pumalag sa isyung may something sila ni Rob Gomez. Binasag na ng beauty queen actress na si Bianca Manalo ang kanyang katahimikan hinggil sa isyung pasikreto silang nagtatagpo ng kapuso aktor na si Rob Gomez. Ngayong araw, December 22, naglabas na ng pahayag ang beauty queen upang pabulaanan ang kumakalat na chikang may namamagitan sa kanila ng kanyang co-actor sa teleseryeng Magandang Dilag. Matatandaang nagulat ang lahat nang biglang mag-viral ang screenshot ng mensahe ni Bianca sa co-actor. Mismong sa Instagram account nga ni Rob ibinahagi nga ang mga screenshot ng usapan nila pati na rin ang palitan ng usapan nila ni Herlin Budol at Pearl Gonzalez na kasamahan niya rin sa naturang teleserye. At upang wakasan na ang issue at para malinis na ang kanyang pangalan, naglabas na si Bianca ng kanyang statement. Anya, "Let me clear all the false rumors circulating on the internet. Rob Gomez and I are friends and co-workers. He was going to bring Christmas gifts and I wanted to receive them early before I leave for the airport. It is upsetting that our conversation were exposed without my consent, which is a breach of privacy and the cause of so much online bashing. It is obvious that parts of our conversation were deleted to create malicious insinuations. To be honest, these unfounded accusations is hurting me and my loved ones. Let this controversy end so I can enjoy the rest of my time in Japan with my family. Let us spread love and truth this holiday season. Merry Christmas everyone!" Yan nga ang buong pahayag ni Bianca Manalo tungkol sa mga kumakalat na issue tungkol sa kanila ni Rob Gomez. Narito naman ang samot-saring komento mula sa mga netizens. Ilan na lang kaya mauuto sa mababaw na explanation na yan? Gift lang pala. Bakit need pa sabihin na he's not here, he's in Valenzuela? Okay naman talaga yung chat. Napapaisip lang ako kung bakit meron sa chat na he's not here, he's in Valenzuela. Clearly deleted yung convo ng guy. Iba tono sa akin sagot ni Bianca eh. Kaya mong pumunta that early? Shock hindi makapaniwala. 7 a.m.? The use of word that indicates unbelieving si Bianca. He's not here, he's in Valenzuela, somewhat answering a question probed by Rob. Just my thought.